Hello, I'm Samishka. So I worked on two key vulnerabilities in our clothing store, online clothing store application. First one is a NoSQL injection and a cross-site scripting issue. So for the NoSQL injection, our research endpoint was passing JSON from the query syntax without validation. So an attacker could pass MongoDB operation like one or regex to manipulate the database. In the vulnerable code, you are noticing JSON.pass category use directory. To remediate, I enforce object ID validation with Mongoose and added reject base input sanitation, applied length limits, and whitelisted allowed sorted fields. So now any malicious input returns a clear error and the query remains secure, fully addressing OWASP A03 2021 injection. For the cross-site scripting, the feedback and review endpoints reflected user input straight back to the browser, which meant a simple script tag could trigger an alert. So I created a sanitizer that removed risky characters, imposed length limits, and converted response to JSON only output, no HTML generation. So this eliminates the XSS vector and ensures safe client-side rendering. So with these controls in place, the affected endpoints now provide validated sanitizers response and are no longer exploitable. So
Hi, I'm Nipuna. My focus was actually to strengthen authentication, fixing any insecure direct object reference vulnerabilities, and integrating Google OAuth 2. Previously, in our system, admin access could be gained simply by adding parameters like um, admin key equals to admin123 to a request. So I replaced that with proper JWT validation and secure admin middleware that checks the token and verifies the user's admin role. This removes any hard-coded backdoors and satisfies authentication failures. So when it comes to IDORs, um, users could access any order by altering an order ID in the URL. So I added ownership verification to ensure the requesting user matches the order owner or holds admin privileges, and I reduced the fields returned in responses. So this helped to close the broken access control risk. So when it comes to OAuth, OpenID Connect implementation, I integrated Google OAuth 2 using Passport.js with the authorization code flow. Security features include the state parameters for CSFR protection, secure token handling, and automatic account linking for matching emails. This improves security and gives users a seamless sign-in experience. With these changes, authentication is now robust and supports both JWT and Google OAuth.
I'm Tivanka Wijerathne and I focused on protecting sensitive data and securing the file upload functionality. The first one is sensitive data exposure. A debug endpoint exposed critical information such as the database URI, JWT secret, and the system paths. I removed this endpoint and replaced it with a minimal health check, applied strict data minimization practices, and enabled detailed access login. These steps prevent accidental disclosure and meet OWASP A02 2021 cryptographic failures guidance. Second one is file upload. The upload service allowed unrestricted files with no authentication, which meant attackers could upload malicious code or attempt directory traversal. I implemented MIME and extension validation for images only and generated secure random file names, enforced a 5 MB limit, and required user authentication. This mitigates broken access control issues and ensures safe file handling. With these safeguards, sensitive information is no longer exposed and file uploads follow